guys? This is David again. Today I'm working on the 2006 Toyota Tundra with a 4.7 motor on there. And I thought I'd just make a quick video of how to remove the camshaft seals off these motors. This is this one right here. Okay. I was having a little bit of trouble pretty much removing this. Kind of crazy, but so I just thought I'd just share with you guys how to do it the easiest way. So of course, main thing is you take the valve cover off, coils, everything that is holding down the camshafts, okay, which is these right here. Simply remove them by taking off all the 10mm bolts that are on there. Okay, so there'll be a bunch of 10mm bolts. Okay, once you have all that removed, just be sure how you know how it goes. They're labeled on there. Intake 3. So just make sure you guys are paying attention how it goes. Next, you want to loosen these up right here. They're all 10mm. You can't see this one right here. All around. Okay. The next thing you want to do is, of course, the belt has to come off. There's no tension on here. So this gear has to come out. Pretty much slides off. The way you do this is you remove these bolts right here. I'm using a T30. You can use Allen sockets. I don't know the exact size for the Allen sockets, but for the Torx, I'm using a T30 for the size. Which is this one right here. Okay, so you remove, I think there's 4 of them. So you go all around. Not these right here. Don't remove these. Okay, so you go the ones that are holding the gear, this one on there. So I think it should be 4 all around. Once you have that, those bolts removed, it slides right off, kind of like this. Okay, just move that to the side here. Next, this one comes out. Okay, pops out just like that. That's to the side. After that, these cams, they should be free to go. Just have to wiggle them up there. But before you do that, if you haven't done so already, before you start anything, I should have said this in the beginning, but put everything in your engine on TDC, dead center, okay, so you'll know. And the camshafts, let me show you something real quick. The way you can see how to put them back. So if you're on TDC on the engine, it has 2 little dots in the back. Hope you guys can see it right there. And the gears, you see those 2? Okay, so those have to be touching together. Okay, that's how you know that your cams are correctly on there. Well, once you put them back. Okay, so look out for that. Then they just pop out pretty much. You gotta wiggle here, up, and the other side too. And they just pop out. So let me show you the next step. Alrighty guys, so this the only one you really need to work with on is the intake side camshaft. Okay, which is the bigger one pretty much. Okay, so this is without the gear, like I said. You need to take this bolt off right here. It's held by a 19mm bolt. I would use your impact gun if you have one. A lot easier. But before you do that, take these off right here. While you have everything together, take these off right here. They're also T30s, okay, for the Torx. So you kind of just grab it from right here, okay, and then you loosen them up all around. This should be loose already. Okay, so you do that next. Let me go ahead and do that for you guys. I'll be right back. All right, so once you remove this, some oil's gonna come out. Okay, just be ready for that. Then we need to remove this in there. Okay, it's like you can use the Allen sockets or use a T55. Go ahead and do that now. Okay, so here's the T55. Okay, it's a big one, so I'm using it on the 1/2 inch. Just shove that in there. Hold the other side with some pliers. You can put them right here. You see the little square area right there? You put them right there so you can hold it in place and just take them off. Alright, so after that the bolt just comes right off. Give me 1 second here. Come on. Here it goes. Okay, set it aside. And this, after that, should just slide right off. So let me see if I can do it with one hand. There it goes. Okay, so just pull it apart. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do this with one hand here. There it goes. See, that's how it goes. Okay. Don't worry about marking this, the cam and the gear, this one right here. The way you'll know how it goes. I mean, simply it's just, there's no other way. Let me see. There's only one way for it to slide back in place. So let's say you don't know where it's at, just kind of go like this and just wiggle it around. There it goes. Until it sits flush. You'll see it right here. See how it's twisting? Just continue to twist it while pushing in. There it goes. Okay. And you do everything in reverse. So once again, you slide it right off. Sorry guys, sorry for the back camera there. Need to get a stand here. And this is how it looks. After that, this right here, like I said, these, take them all off. All these right here, the four bolts here. I'll be right back. I'm looking to do that. Okay, so after the bolts are off, this still has to come out, this gear, it comes out upward, so this way, in other words. So you want to get something and just kind of bang this gear out of the thing. Just hit it on each side so they could go out evenly. All right, so after some hitting, pops right out. Then put them like this, and then there you go, the seal pops right out. Okay. Then of course, again, do everything in reverse. Get the new seal, put it on there. Make sure you put this the right way. Okay. Put it on there. Just go everything in reverse. Put this gear back on. Okay. Make sure you put the bolts on there. Slide it in place. Then of course you come back here. Easiest way to do it, to put it all together, is while it's in the air, line up these two holes in the back. Those are, the two markings in the back. Now don't get them confused. There's one where it's with 2 dots, okay, markings, and then the other side is gonna have 2 dots. So there's 1 and 1, and the other one is gonna be 2. So 2 to 2 and 2. Make sure you have 1 and 1 together. There you go, it's 1 and 1 together, okay? And then just put them in place. Make sure you spin these right here. Make sure you turn these around, and then make sure they line up. Put everything back in place, and that's it. All right, well, thank you for watching, guys.